Welcome to Amaroo, an extraordinary estate nestled atop 5 acres of private elevated land, offering unrivaled panoramic views of Pittwater's southern reaches. This premier jewel stands as one of the most extensive and exclusive homes on the northern beaches, basking in a northerly aspect that bathes its sprawling grounds in sunlight from dawn till dusk. Central to this magnificent estate is the main residence, which underwent a complete renovation in 2020. As you enter through the tranquil koi ponds, the grand foyer welcomes you with soaring 4.5-metre high ceilings, setting the stage for the opulence that awaits across 2 lavish levels. Each turn reveals new delights, with a harmonious blend of formal and informal living spaces orbiting around a gourmet kitchen. Glass sliding doors effortlessly blur the lines between indoor and outdoor living, inviting you to the north-facing balcony, where curved walls and extensive glass frame the breathtaking vistas. The residence features 6 strategically placed bedrooms, with the luxurious master occupying a private wing, complete with an expansive walk-in closet and a lavish ensuite. Adding to the estate's allure is a newly constructed separate studio, offering additional privacy and flexibility. This space includes a living, kitchen, and dining area, opening to a covered balcony accompanied by 2 bedrooms, one with an ensuite. Beyond the structure lies a haven of landscaped grounds. Outdoor leisure unfolds at the large alfresco terrace with travertine paving, cedar and blackbutt-lined ceilings, and a revamped kidney-shaped swimming pool. Additional luxuries include a 10-person Finnish cedar sauna, a 4-car garage, ample parking, an established vegetable garden, and a scenic outdoor fire pit. At Amaroo, every element speaks of luxury, elegance, and unparalleled refinement, offering a lifestyle of unrivaled grandeur and sophistication amidst nature's breathtaking beauty. Welcome to a realm of exquisite living at its finest. Welcome to Amaroo.